All right, today we're diving into this amazing website called genchess. It's a place where you can let your imagination run wild by creating custom chessboards with any theme you can think of. Seriously, if you've ever wondered what it'd be like to play chess on something completely out of the box, this is your chance to make it happen. Let me show you how it works. For my first board, I decided to go with something warm and comforting: chicken soup. Yes, you heard that right. Imagine every square on your chessboard looking like a bowl of delicious, cozy chicken soup, complete with little pieces of vegetables and noodles floating around. Once I finished designing my side, it was time to generate the opponent's board. I pressed the button and waited a moment while the magic happened. And boom, it came back as spicy ramen, a steaming, hot, fiery bowl of ramen noodles for my opponent's chessboard. Now it's a showdown: comfort food versus heat. I can already feel the tension building between these two culinary legends, but I wasn't stopping there. For the next game, I wanted to do something fun and colorful, so I typed in donut ice cream for my chessboard. The result? A vibrant, sugary masterpiece with squares that looked like glazed donuts and scoops of creamy ice cream. Honestly, it might not be the best choice for a serious chess match, but it's definitely one of the most eye-catching boards I've seen. Then, I hit the Generate Opponent button again, and after a short wait, the opponent's board turned out to be pretzel. A salty, crunchy snack versus sugary, colorful dessert. This matchup was wild. It's like two completely different worlds colliding on the chessboard. And here's the coolest part: you can actually play full chess games right here on these custom boards. It's not just about creating something fun to look at. You can use your wild creations to battle it out against friends or AI. If you haven't tried genchess yet, I highly recommend checking it out. The possibilities are endless, and you can make literally anything into a chessboard. So what kind of board would you create? Let me know, and maybe I'll try it in my next game. All right, I'm back on genchess, the website where you can create your own custom chessboards with any theme you can think of. If you've ever wondered what it's like to play chess on a board made out of fries or fruit, this is the place to do it. Today, I'm going all out with some crazy ideas, so let's get started. For my first board, I decided to go with something simple but iconic: fries. Yes, golden, crispy French fries covering every square on my side of the board. Just imagine playing chess on a board that looks good enough to eat. Once I finished setting that up, I pressed the Generate Opponent button to see what my opponent's board would be. It took a few seconds to load, and when it finally appeared, boom! It was a milkshake. Fries versus milkshake, one of the best food pairings ever, but now they're battling it out on a chessboard. It's like fast food has come to life. For my next board, I decided to go with a fruity theme. I typed in strawberries for my chessboard, and after a few moments, the design loaded. The board was bright red, with little details resembling strawberry seeds, giving it such a fresh and vibrant look. It immediately stood out as one of the most fun boards I'd made so far. Once my board was ready, it was time to generate the opponent's board. I pressed the button and waited a few seconds for it to load. When it finally appeared, it was blueberries. The deep blue tones of the opponent's board created such a cool contrast with my strawberries. It was like a berry-themed chess match: red versus blue, sweet versus tart. The two boards together looked amazing, and I couldn't wait to see how they'd play out in an actual game. Once my board was ready, it was time to generate the opponent's board. I pressed the button and waited a few seconds for it to load. When it finally appeared, it was blueberries. The deep blue tones of the opponent's board created such a cool contrast with my strawberries. It was like a berry-themed chess match: red versus blue, sweet versus tart. The two boards together looked amazing, and I couldn't wait to see how they'd play out in an actual game. For the final round, I wanted to break away from food and get even more creative. Instead of sticking to the classic chessboard style, I decided to make my board something unique and unexpected: fish. That's right. The entire board was underwater themed, with fish swimming around as the squares. It was like an aquarium turned into a chess game. Once my side was done, I pressed the Generate Opponent button one last time. After waiting a bit, the opponent's board appeared as birds. It was a clash of nature: Sea creatures versus sky creatures. Honestly, this might be the most creative matchup I've ever seen in a chess game. And that's a wrap for today. Playing chess on genchess is such a cool experience because you can turn anything into a chessboard. Whether it's fries, berries, or even an underwater world, the possibilities are endless. What kind of chessboard would you create? Let me know and I might try it next time.